Hello again. This is the Raffle Trainman 2456. It's my 7th video, lucky number 7. Hope it's good. Hope you like it. This is hopefully going to be short because it's a tour of my small layout and of course trains. I have two trains. This is my first train, HO scale, Santa Fe. Number 66392, Lehigh Valley, rolling stock boxcar. Then this, the SLXS 72221, Swift Livestock Express boxcar, and it's the TCX 6305 Texaco tanker, and the ITC 3727 Illinois terminal. Look, it's derailed. Huh? What do you know? I fixed that. And of course the caboose. The ATSF 999851 Santa Fe caboose. That's freight package. All came together. Then there's these. I bought all 4 at a train show I went to a couple weeks ago. This is a 5707 F3 Santa Fe. It's a little beat up. It's super old. Then the Union Pacific 62040 rolling stock hopper, and this I haven't seen a number on this yet. I just call it the FLC, which is actually what it's called, Forest Lumber Company logging car. And this, I finally got this to work. Before, it had a rather demented wheel. It couldn't go along the tracks without derailing every 0.2 of a second or something. But I finally took the axle out and bent it back and fixed it. Now it works fine. So this is B&O 264778 rolling stock with plastic insert. This is my layout. Terminal railer, pier, bridge thingy. And if you notice, this right here is power lock, but this cross is easy track. How is that possible? This little piece of track right here, power lock, easy track, adapter. One side's power lock, other side is easy track. So from here across and over here, along here, across and around the turn to right here, that's where the other adapter is that goes back from easy track to power lock. Then I have the right remote switch thingy, that short thing with power lock buffer. I switch it manually. It just goes around here. If you're wondering what this stuff is in the middle, it's my science project. Well, there's your tour of the Raffle Trainman 2456, my model railway. It's super small. Okay. Bye.